In this question, they ask us to find the discriminant, and then we are going to determine the nature of the roots of these quadratic equations. First, in first chapter, we learned it. Whenever there is a quadratic equations, there is a general method to get the solution, the x, that means the roots directly, which is according to this formula. But if we are not asking the value, we just want to know whether this value exists, then there is a quick test. We just look at what inside the square root. And based on what inside the square root, we have this note. If what inside the square root is positive, that means we can take square root and then we give two different real roots here. If what inside is 0, plus 0 and minus 0 basically are talking about the same case, only one possibility, only one double real root. Or the last case, if what inside is negative value, we can't take square roots, we can't find the value. So we say that there is no real solution or no real roots here. So to find the discriminant is talking about what inside the square root, which means that we are talking about b squared minus 4ac. We consider this is a quick test to know that how many roots do we have. For this question, we have x squared plus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. And then we realize that a is equal to 1, b representing positive 5, and c representing positive 3. We are not going to solve it like this, but in short, we are lazy and we just focus in what inside the square root. So we are going to consider something called discriminant, that means b squared minus 4ac. And then after I get this value, based on the fact this is positive, 0 or negative, I'm going to draw the certain conclusion. So same thing for substitution. B replaced by 5 here, A replaced by 1, and C replaced by 3. Therefore, we have 25 minus 4 times 3. 25 minus 12. So we combine them, we get 13 here. Now, again, the key point is that larger than 0, equal to 0, or smaller than 0? We find out this value, which is 13, is larger than 0, positive. So, since b squared minus 4ac is larger than 0, based on our calculation, therefore, we draw the corresponding conclusion is we have two unequal real roots, two different real roots. And this sentence answers the requirement nature of roots here. And the discriminant is referred to this value. We get this value is 13, so 13 is this part answer. And then the nature is we have two different real roots.